Hi, once again, it's your boy, Elo11. This time, I'm doing part 2 of Project Say TNA. Well, what do you think? What do you think? Well, I'm gonna tell you like this. I'm on some people. Hey, give me comments. Give me comments. Subscribe to me. I'm new. I'm new to this, but all I'm telling you, we're gonna try to do the Say TNA so we can have more wrestling competition here. I know we got MMA. I love MMA, UFC, but I don't watch it that much. I love TNA, and where I'm at, I don't get much of ROH. But TNA, WWE is one of what I love. So here's the thing. Now you can hit me back on my website here, Elo11 on YouTube. What I want to say about how to say TNA, I'm telling this to Carter. If I run TNA, I'll tell you the first thing I do. First thing I do is get rid of Bischoff. Bischoff is really bringing it down. If not try to get rid of Bischoff, at least let Bischoff listen to what the fans have been telling you. I run TNA. First thing I want to do is get rid of that six-sided ring. Get it back in there. Put the six-sided ring back. Stop trying to be like the WWE. Let's be like TNA. Let's be unique. That's what got us back into the dance. Now, number 2. I will try to make that TV title like a mid-card title. It's the X-Division title and everything. It's for the X-Division. But try to make that TV title for a mid-card title. Yeah, because Gunner is the champion. Let's get somebody, get some great matches. Make it look like the old Intercontinental champion or the USF. Make that worth something. And but also, I will try my best to keep Samoa Joe. I will do my best to keep Samoa Joe in TNA because he is really one of the faces of TNA. He should be the cornerstone. Him, AJ Styles, Kazarian. I can put Kazarian because he worked hard. I mean, I love Kazarian. He worked so hard to get where he's at. Fair money. Keep that. Another thing. Do your best to keep the War to the Machine Guns. Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin in TNA. They were the best tag team I had ever seen. You need to keep those guys. Try your best to keep them. And I don't want to hear no money issues and all that. You got them to keep your good talent. So you got rid of Monty Brown. And you know you're going to get him back. Or Chris Harris, you got rid of him. You know we're getting back. But the person in the future, I'm going to tell you this. Work my words. But now, to get TNA back on the map, to put them back good, you got a chance to get. You got two young guys, to make TNA back on the map and be a good company and save TNA. The 2 guys I'm talking about is Matt Morgan and Hernandez. Hernandez might not be a man eventer, but Matt Morgan is ready. Pope is ready to be a man eventer. He's good. There's another guy. Rob Terry is kind of green to me, but if he gets really right, I like Rob Terry too. Rob Terry could be a future, could be the future TNA. You got the future right there. You need to just start developing him now. This is the time to do it now. So all my people listening to me, comments and everything, hit me up. This is part 2 of the Project Say TNA. I say, if you want to bring some WWE guys, okay, Matt Hardy is great. What we do with Jeff Hardy, I'll tell you what we do with Jeff Hardy. Give him time off. Let him regroup. Let him regroup. If you want to bring him back as a face, fine. Feel good. Oh yeah. What about Mr. Anderson? Right now, if I was you, at lockdown, it will be, to me, my thing, if I book it, it'll be Sting versus Mr. Anderson. And I'm going to tell you how the match will go. Sting versus Mr. Anderson in the cage. No hold barred. No disqualification. There must be a winner. And the truth of the matter, I don't care if Sting wins or Anderson wins. You gotta make this has gotta be your rivalry to save TNA. Sting and Mr. Anderson gotta be your rivalry right now. I'm trying to play damage control and save TNA right now. This is my thinking. If any of your guys got something better who you think should be on there against Sting, let me know. I think it's going to be Sting and Anderson. Put that rivalry out there. RVD, put him against Matt Hardy. Give Matt Hardy a push. Give Matt Hardy his push. And, then you got, set up, I can set these rivalries up and put that with Anderson, Sting, get that all up, Slammiversary. Bring back King of the Mountain. Here's my King of the Mountain match will be. You got Sting, Mr. Anderson. Sting, Mr. Anderson. Let's bring back, what the heck? Let's get Billy Ray. Make it, because there's a lot, King of the Mountain. Let him be in it. And, let's see, Matt Hardy. Perfect. I know they experience and it's like a multi-WWE. I know. Oh, but let's put one more guy. The X Factor. To me, if Chris Harris decides to come back, bring him back. But it's not gonna happen. How about let's get Samoa Joe in that match? There you go. Bully Ray, Sting, Mr. Anderson, Matt Hardy, RVD. I didn't mention RVD, but RVD is one of them, and Samoa Joe. That would be the perfect King of the Mountain match. That would be perfect right there. That will. I'm telling you, that will save TNA and make it good. So make TNA put on the map, and Slammiversary will be off the chain. Oh yeah, bring back that 6-hour ring. Also, there were some good matches. When I was in TNA, one of the great matches I liked, was you can do a lot of other things with this. Bring back the Exhibition Cup. Oh yeah, bring back the Exhibition Cup. That is great. Bring back the Exhibition Cup is one of them. If I would try to do is bring the Exhibition Cup for male and female. Excuse me. Yeah. Bring back the Exhibition Cup. I know I'm talking too much about it. I know that'd be great. You can bring more talent. You bring talent from all over the world to make the Exhibition Cup. That's great. Also, how about making when you push the Exhibition, you got an Exhibition tag team. Like I said, you got a knockout tag team. Make it worth your while. Somehow you gotta have to bring the beautiful people back. The beautiful people, that's your group. Keep the beautiful people together. I love Katie Leeberg. She's winter now, but I love Katie Leeberg. Here's the thing. If you want, somehow y'all gotta put her in there with the beautiful people. Make the third person. That would be great. Also, you gotta also, I'm babbling and all that. Another thing. If you're gonna do this, hey, look. To all you guys listening to me who want to watch this, here's the thing. Let's see who will give me. For say part of TNA, give me a match that will worthy of Slammiversary and Lockdown. Give me some matches that should be on there. I'll tell you one match that should be in there. Matt Hardy against RVD. Matt Hardy against RVD and Lockdown. Let them have that rivalry. There's a rivalry. See, that's a rivalry you can keep push on to Slammiversary. AJ Styles, Bully Ray, push that on to Slammiversary. Samoa Joe and Pope is really good, and it's a really good rivalry. Hernandez and Matt Morgan, that's a really good rivalry for some reason. But I'll tell you one thing. I'm gonna tell you like this. If you want, also, I will try my best to, like this guy Gunner, but somehow put a rivalry with Rob Terry, or just have Matt Morgan get in it so he can win that television title. I think that's really the best thing we can do. Make him win the television title, so that television can be worth something. Matt Morgan can push it and be a great champion. So let's do that. Okay, and hey, I'm new here on this. If y'all have any comments or anything that you want to say to me about it, feel free. Comments on there. You can subscribe to me and all. That's great. And also to all the people I subscribe to, listen to me carefully. If you want to be part of this movement, let me know. I love to hear your comments. I'm not worried you. I'm not hard to find. Just give it to me. I love to hear what you're pointing out with this ATNA. So that's my time. Peace.